Hello everyone, this is Husky here. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And remember, if you're an old school subscriber, it's not on by default, so go turn on that bell. Now, I'm here with Dustin.
Hey everybody.
And we did a really fun challenge where we tried to recreate a Nerdy Nummies recipe from Rose's show in under 2 hours, and we did pretty good. I'm gonna link down to that below. You should check it out. But I thought for this video, it's another challenge, but there's no time limit. Instead, we are going to be attempting to make 3 recipes from this amazing Oscar-winning cookbook. It's called Microwave Cooking for One. I think it came out in the early 80s. I'm not sure if the date in here is like this version or when it originally came out. Look at this lady on the cover. She is so happy with herself. She has made hundreds of meals. I also love how it's called Microwave Cooking for One, and she has made enough food to feed
like 25 people.
At least. Mama's stuffed eggplant, flounder vermouth, Mama's fried shrimp, ground beef drambuie.
What?
Like, what is a drambuie? Are you ready?
I'm always ready.
For microwave cooking for one.
Question, do we have to eat the food after we make it?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Half the fun is making the food. So we're gonna eat the food at the end of the video all at once so we can kind of rate them.
Yeah.
And if we get sick,
it's fine.
We've already finished the video, so it's okay. There's one that caught my eye because I have never heard of it before. A peanut butter pie. There's a pie crust, 2 teaspoons of cold water. We got that.
That's easy. 2
drops yellow food coloring, 2 drops red food coloring, and 1 drop green food coloring.
2
For
drops.
A pie crust? Place flour and salt in 1.5 pint mixing bowl.
How do we know how big the mixing bowl is? Serious question for the bakers.
Yeah.
I've heard that has to, you told me last time that's to level off.
You're supposed to,
How
but
do you do that though?
You're
Do you
supposed
just
to use
shake
a butter
it?
knife. 1/16 teaspoon of salt. These days, I think they call it a pinch. Wait, we have a 1/8 teaspoon.
So if you do 2 of those.
No, 1/2.
You do half of that.
Cut in shortening with pasty blender. I don't know what a pastry blender is, maybe a hand mixer, but that's too big, so let's just use a fork. And look at this, they measured out for you on here.
Oh, sweet.
You can't mess it up. That was definitely closer to 3.
Right here? That was 3?
Okay, that's closer to 2. Whoa!
Teamwork makes the dream work, folks.
I feel like back in 1985, they didn't have electricity. And then place water in custard cup. Over here, I think it's a ramekin, right?
Okay.
Maybe back then they called them custard cups.
A ramekin?
No, the white thing.
Oh, that's a ramekin.
You don't know what a ramekin is?
These look like
Why do I invite you over? Okay, I gotta say, on the cover, the pie is huge. This is enough crust to make like a peanut butter cup. This is where we add the food coloring.
Oh boy.
This actually feels like and looks like dough. Why do we have to dye it a color? And it feels like dough. So now you need to mix in 2 drops yellow, 2 drops red, and 1 drop green.
Doesn't seem to be flowing.
Is it open?
2. Whew. That was intense.
Oh, that already makes me uncomfortable.
Right?
So this is what it looks like. Oh, let's mix this bad boy up. Oh, I moved it.
Oh, dude.
Oh, no.
Oh, boy.
Why is the yellow chunky?
Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Oh, I thought you were gonna talk. My skin is crawling.
Would you drink this?
No. Place water mix until water is an even brown color. That is not a line you want in your recipe. Okay, so I guess we're drizzling this.
Just a drizzle?
That is not brown, that is orange.
That is, I know. Is that a drizzle?
I mean, I feel drizzled. Oh. All of a sudden I've lost my appetite. I'm like regretting this video already. How much yellow did you put in there?
I put 2 drops. I mean, maybe more, I don't know. You wanna do all of it?
Yeah, I think it's early.
That's awesome.
Oh, why is the recipe add food color? Why is it not just use the dough we have?
The normal dough, I know.
Because look at it now. Oh, it looks like refried beans. This looks like the old Taco Bell bean recipe. They have a new one now, it's way better.
Wait,
like,
what?
I mean, here we are eating Play-Doh. It's still not even fully mixed in. We've been mixing it for like 10 minutes. Knead dough with hands until color is evenly distributed.
Oh wow, it's 100% the consistency of Play-Doh. It smells like Play-Doh. Hold on, look. I made it's a horse, Mike.
Actually, we can make the filling while that chills. 2 tablespoons powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon peanut butter.
Just to check, 2 teaspoons done.
Tablespoons.
Okay, that's not teaspoons.
No, it's tablespoons.
Dude, why is my hang up the sugar? Okay, need a tablespoon.
I love Jif peanut butter. What do you think? Do you think this is
done? How does one?
You know, we might as well just use this because that's in the pie anyway.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
We have a Rosanna Pansino bachelor.
Oh!
While she's not here,
Yeah.
She's here.
Always with us.
Mix with a small fork or two-tined fork. What is a two-tined fork?
Are these tines? Is that a thing?
It is, it's a fork with two.
This is 4 tines?
4-tine the fun. Let's just use our 4-tined fork and hope that that's okay.
I feel so phony. Mike, I don't know. This is not right. The powdered sugar is flailing about.
So I don't want to spend 10 hours on this. I need to turn on the oven, right?
What are you
there is no
talking
oven.
about?
What am I talking about?
I don't know what I'm doing here.
Keep at it, you're doing great. I wonder why this book never took off.
This is like the best workout I've had in weeks. I don't know what I'm doing.
It's the 2 tines, I think. We have 2 tines too many.
Yeah, we have way too many. Now we understand why the book was telling us to use a 2-tined fork. Is a 1-tined fork just a knife? Or a really small pie server?
It says to roll it out. Do you think I can do it without a rolling pin? Okay, well I have a rolling pin. This is so weird.
It's not brown.
Yeah. Doing this with the flour on top of your dough, that's called a spritzel.
That's a spritzel. Hashtag spritzel.
It says don't stretch it. It is ripping everywhere. Doesn't this just look so appetizing?
You know, I'm getting more used to the idea of eating it. But that could be because I missed breakfast.
I think we made Play-Doh. Ceramic pie weights. We do not have that. Cook 1 minute and 45 seconds. Underside of crust will look dry when properly cooked. Now Dustin, to be safe, we're gonna microwave it in short intervals because I have a feeling that our microwave is a little stronger.
I'm gonna stand away from the microwave because I don't know what we actually just put in there.
Oh, it's all like greasy now. This is 15 again. Round, round, round she goes. It is not, oh.
It's a horror factory.
This looks not satisfying. Oh, can you hear that?
Yeah, I do.
Can you smell it? Because I can. Oh, this feels like skin that hasn't been moisturized in 35 years. I think I'm gonna throw up. One more. It kind of smells like a Pop-Tart now. Wow. This is wild. Oh, I just broke the crust. Maybe we can still like mush it. I'm worried it's gonna melt everything.
Look how domestic Mike looks right now. This is awesome.
Careful, this is hot. You're gonna spread it along the bottom. Pour milk.
Oh,
it's falling apart, man.
Oh, here we go. Oh, that's good.
Pour milk into 1 cup liquid measure. Cook for 1 minute and 20. That sounds way too long.
Why are we making hot milk?
For sugar, we need 1/4 cup. Do you think you can handle that? Wait, that's powdered sugar! Powdered sugar!
1 cup. This is a full cup. That's
funny.
Salt. So 1 cup sea salt.
Yep.
Into the 1 quart mixing bowl.
1/4 cup sugar.
I need a cup. 1/4 cup. Hold on, wait.
1/4 cup sugar. 4.
I knew it was salt. Don't leave, Mike. I'm sorry.
Even this does not seem to mix correctly.
No.
We also set this aside, so now we have 3 things set aside. Just the yolk. Can you handle this?
Sure can. Learned this last time.
Except now we gotta.
Here.
Wait, just stop. No, it's broke. You're gonna mess it up.
It's
just
fine,
stop.
I got it.
Stop. We're gonna do this into here, and now that into there. Okay. This is really complicated for a microwave.
I know.
Yeah, just start whisking. I'm gonna slowly add this.
At the beginning, you said this would be easy for us.
I just heat this in the microwave in small intervals, and it actually looks it's so hot. It actually looks custardy. Not sure on the smell.
Hold on, let me help you out there, buddy.
Thanks.
You're welcome. ASMR. I think we need to put this in the middle of a donut. There's no way this fits in the thing.
This is way too much.
Just do it.
This is so not satisfying.
Oh!
Just a yum sweet peanut butter pie.
Hold on, wait. Let's see if it'll... Look at the...
Oh!
That's got it.
So this is definitely not right. What if we want more of like a sealed pie?
It's so thin. No, don't put it... Oh.
Like this, right? We're supposed to be able to sprinkle this, but instead it's a peanut butter paste. I don't have any whipped cream to mask this flavor, so...
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm making it look good, obviously.
It doesn't look good. It's never gonna look good.
After we cook this, we're supposed to chill it in the fridge, and then we can make our next thing. It's the first 15. It bubbled up a little bit. So we're gonna do another 15. Oh, look how jiggly it is. Ugh. Guys, look at that. Oh no, it's gonna boil over. No, it's gonna explode. Oh. I just realized this isn't the crust, this is the filling, so the filling's not gonna cook. Oh, I'm so dumb. That last recipe took forever, so I wanna try something a little more simple. Cheesecake is one of my favorite desserts. And so we're gonna make it in the microwave. And I don't think we have to dye the crust, so that is a great start.
The heavens.
Put a little bit of butter in there. We need
What's a little bit?
And then we're gonna melt that in the microwave. Graham cracker crumbs, which I only have graham cracker. Dustin, we've had this sitting on our shelf forever.
Is that a mortar and pestle?
Yeah. I feel like this was the first tool man invented. So here's Cookie. She's gonna help out. 2 tablespoons of the graham cracker. I'm counting on you to get this right. I'm
granulated sugar.
Cookie. Cookie's really helping out here. What is going on there? All right, so this actually kind of looks okay. Okay, this is not really sticking to the sides.
I guess we messed it up again. I feel like this is taking much longer than it should.
I feel like this is why they said the grease spoon. This is a rubber spatula. We're just gonna go with this.
You done good, kid.
Cook 15 seconds.
In the microwave.
You can't overcook something in 15 seconds. It looks like burnt skin, but
oh yeah, that's disgusting.
So we just need the egg whites because this is cheesecake and cheesecake is white, and if you put the yolk in it, it gets yellow. I know that. Remember, just the whites, and you actually did that last time, so I'm confident in your ability. Oh, there's a lot of shell in here.
Yeah, a lot of shell in there. I'm new.
If our cheesecake's a little crunchy, you'll know why. It just says beat egg white in whatever. Add vanilla and beat until stiff. I'm assuming I can just keep it going. Okay, not too much now. There we go. This is going okay so far.
Woo! The substance is now bubbling. That can't be right.
I feel like a real cooking show.
Now what you're gonna want to do is keep the thing that spins really fast inside the mixture. If you take it out, it's gonna be a rough time for you and your cooking partner.
While you're doing that, I'm gonna put cream cheese into a small bowl and beat with unclean beaters.
Excellent, thanks Mike. That's like your helicopter pilot giving you a tour. It started as fun, and now it's, I'm not gonna lie, it's work.
It kind of looks like marshmallow fluff at this point.
It really does.
Woo! It smells right. I don't know what it's supposed to smell like, but it smells like vanilla.
Unclean beater for you.
And I guess we just beat it. We need 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, so figure out how to do that.
Fresh lemon into the teaspoon.
Don't get in your eyes.
Oh!
All right, well it doesn't specify, so I think we just put it all in there. I think we're just mixing this and then...
This is way easier than the pie.
We're kind of like an electric mixer, look at us.
2 spatches are better than 1. So what Mike's doing is the exact opposite of what one might want to do in this situation.
Now we cook this bad boy. It says 4 minutes, that seems way too long.
way.
If it's an auto-rotating oven, eliminate turns. So I don't need to turn it because it's turning. All right, here we go. Let's see what happens. Oh, this is not gonna go well. I don't know, guys. Almost the whole thing came out of here. You can actually see the bottom. How is there more in there? This is the saddest cheesecake I've ever seen. Oh my God, it's so hot.
Why?
Here we go, let's take a look at our work of cheesecake art.
Oh no.
And I'm gonna put this in the fridge. For treat number 3, I thought we should do this peach souffle. Blueberry Muffin wanted to visit, so that means that you have to do all the work. 1/4 teaspoon unflavored gelatin. A dash of salt.
Okay, dash of sugar, copy that.
Yep. You are so good at being a little helper.
Hold on. Boom!
That was so much salt.
That was a dash, relax.
No pressure, but Blueberry's really counting on you.
I got you, Blueberry. I won't let you down because I love you.
Slowly pour it so it doesn't cook the egg.
Oh, that's an interesting scent. I spilled the yolk.
Oh, we got leakage.
1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. Ah! Oh.
Stir in vanilla and almond extract.
Oh.
I'm gonna try and do a drop
that
out
is
here.
so rank.
Okay, whoa, that was like 4 drops. I would rather this taste like pure almonds than whatever that smell is. Now, I have no idea how to peel a peach, so I got canned peaches.
Oh.
Dice peach and add half to gelatin mixture. All right, well, I guess we just... Woo! There's slip and sliding.
You've diced a lot of stuff before, yeah?
Yeah, you can tell this my dicing technique is world class. Ooh, nice and slimy, like all good peaches should be. Everything's so sticky and smelly and slimy. Oh. This is what it looks like currently.
Don't touch it.
Oh man. Would you kindly do the honors
of throwing it in the trash?
It wants us to...
Dude,
yeah,
that was awesome.
This is not the safest way to do this, but it's all we have time for today. I think this is gonna be our topping is the idea, so I kind of want to mix this in here gently. In go the peaches. Maybe it'll cover the putrid stink. Definitely not smooth.
It's a little chunky.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and get some good peach chunks here.
Ugh.
And this is going on top.
Oh.
There is no way that this is just like a hidden gem.
And ta-da!
I bumped into it. I tried to do the same outro as Ro because maybe we can channel her. So the 3 delicious, scrumptious desserts that we made is the peach souffle, the peanut butter pie, which came out very orange, and the cheesecake, which actually looks like it might taste okay, but it also looks like an alien. I guess we'll start with the peach souffle.
Oh, here we go. Cheers.
Maybe the video's done.
Wait, that's just so much peach. I don't want to do it, Mike.
Cheers.
No. Oh, God.
Oh, it's like it's, you know, like when you accidentally step in front of a car and you almost die? You know that like sick feeling?
Panic.
That's my body right now.
I'm not even gonna lie, I thought I would really have to play this up in this moment, but this is the worst thing I've ever eaten. This can't be worse than that. No, you take right at the green spot.
I don't want the green spot.
Yeah, you do. I'm experiencing intense feelings of anxiety, panic, nausea.
The dogs like it. I don't know if it's because the souffle was so bad or I now have set the bar so low. But this is actually edible.
Yeah, I like it.
Let's try just the crust because I've never dyed a crust before. The crust is super bland. Would I ever serve this to anybody ever? No. The souffle, a 0 out of 10 on a scale of 1 to 10.
Negative 3.5.
Yeah, it's not even on the scale. This, I want to give it a 5 because it's actually edible. I'm a big texture guy. I don't know if you're big on texture with food.
Oh, I definitely
But for
am.
me, the texture is actually passable. I don't know if it's cooked all the way. I mean, it's cheesecake texture. All right, here we go. That's actually good.
Okay.
What? You don't like it?
Nope. Initially, I was a little bit like, uh-oh. You know, souffle flashback.
Yeah.
Then the crust mixed in, and I was like, oh.
I would say compared to other cheesecakes, it's like a 3. But the fact that it is from a book called Microwave Cooking for One, this is a 10 out of 10. This is a win. This has to be one of the best recipes in there.
Strong for
What was the peanut butter pie?
like 5 to 7 range.
You think the peanut butter pie
Yes.
is better than the cheesecake?
In fact, I do.
Well, we weren't able to get to every recipe today as there are
Thank
hundreds. And Blueberry Muffin wanted to say bye.
Bye, bloobs.
She loved hanging out with everyone. Also, you can follow me on all social media. It's just /Husky on everything. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and even Twitch. It is all Husky. I'll link down below to that, so go follow me there, guys. If you have any other ideas, let us know what they are down below. Hopefully they taste a little bit better than what these tasted like, because that was a 0 out of 10. I actually think I'm going to be sick, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And if you want to watch any other videos, you can click up here.
Or up here.
Blueberry's got you covered. That one's pretty good. You should actually click on that one. I'll see you guys next time. Let's throw this stuff away.
Yep, let's go ahead and leave.
Right.
Can you burn that peach souffle, please? So
I'm setting
nothing
it on
comes
fire
out of it?
right off camera.
Awesome.